Hi, this is Davide Biocchi speaking, and this is my weekly intermarket analysis. Let's start with the euro dollar that is in a quite large trading range here that goes from 1.05 to 1.107. Even if, let's say, in the recent period, the market was in a more thin, let's say, trading range that goes from 1.10 and something a little bit to 1.065. So let's see here, sorry, to 1.08 around here. So the market is in this level right now, and below here there's a level of 1.065. Up here there's a level of 1.107. So let's see what is going to happen in short term. Let's switch immediately after to commodities like the crude oil that is even this one in a range that goes since months, and it is the large range that we have in between 67 to $73 per barrel. It's something like the market is moving up and down this level. We have another level below that is 64 that can work as a very strong support, and also there's a limit up there around $82 because the market remained for months and months before in the $10 range between 82 and 72 dollars. So the situation is, let's say, quite interesting to see. As interesting is the situation that involves the gold. So here is it possible to see that there's a downtrend coming from the all-time high that we have seen here for the third time around 2080, and the range that previously went on are offering us a perspective that the market remained for a long time in between 1980 to 2060, and then the market remained in 1980 to 1930, and then below here. And in my opinion, the potential target at the end could be the level around 1815, even if there is an intermediate level around here, around 1870. So let's see where the market is going, let's say. And then let's switch to the stock indices, and let's start with the European one, where we have the DAX very close to the previous historical all-time high that we have seen really recently. So this is that price, even if we are very close to an intermediate resistance, and the market is moving up there, and it's very interesting. More interesting is the situation for the stock 50 that was able to reach again a level that the market didn't see after 2008. So the price is really at a new level, very interesting level. So it's really relevant to see what is going to happen in the incoming days. Something very interesting is also happening on the US stock indices, where we have the S&P 500 that is posting the new high never reached after April 2022. So this is again a quite relevant situation. So the last time the market was here was more than 1 year ago, and we have, let's say, expectation for the market maybe also to go and test the next level that is around a little bit above 4,600. Will the market be able to do that? Well, for sure, there's a very relevant support here, and let's see what the market will be able to do. Also, the Nasdaq posted some records, and the most relevant one was that we are now at the end of Q2 2023, and after the first semester didn't happen that the market went up like the Nasdaq did this year, more than 30%, 31.8%. And the last time the market gained more than this, I mean the Nasdaq, was 1,981. So 42 years ago. So in the last 40 years, the market was never able, even during the dot-com period, to, let's say, post a success like the one that we have seen this year. So it's a really incredible record. We are very close, a strong resistance here, okay? And I don't know, obviously, if the market will be able to go through. Recently, we have seen some rotation, and so some other stocks were bought, despite the fact that also the tech stocks were doing very good, but some other stocks, some other sectors were bought during the month of June. So let's see what is going to happen in July. Let's say I will not be surprised if some, let's say, rotation will involve also some small cap listed, for example, in the Russell, that are a little far from the results that we have seen here. So let's see what is going to happen. Thank you very much for being here. This is Davide Biocchi, and bye-bye. See you soon.